Hello everyone, today I am making dal khichdi. For that I took 1 bowl of rice, 1 bowl of moong dal and 1 bowl of tur dal in a pressure cooker. I am taking 5 glass of water here. This is the most fastest and quick recipe, yet so delicious. Let me know which is your favorite and quick hunger recipe in comment section below. A pinch of salt, a pinch of turmeric. I'm taking here 1 chopped tomato. Make 4 to 5 whistles. Now let's begin with the tadka. Take 2 tablespoon vegetable oil, cumin seeds, mustard, garlic, 1 chopped onion. I will cook this until it turns translucent. After around 5 minutes it turned translucent. Add red chili, hing and garam masala. Give this a mix. Time to transfer boiled dal and rice into the masala. You can have it at this consistency, but I like little liquidy, so I'm adding some water into it. Allow this to bubble for a minute or so. Enjoy dal khichdi, or you can call it as masala khichdi or simply dal khichdi.